Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Shopeepay. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So let's start. So to transfer the money from PayPal to Shopeepay, you need to follow these steps. First step is withdraw the funds from PayPal to your bank account. What you need to do is log in your PayPal, then link your bank account. So if you haven't linked already, navigate to the wallet section and then select the link a bank account option, and then you need to enter your bank details to establish the connection. After you have linked your bank account, you need to initiate the withdrawal. So just go to the wallet and then click on transfer money and then select transfer to your bank account. Now you enter the amount you wish to withdraw and complete the transaction. The standard bank transfer from PayPal typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Now after this, you need to top up with the Shopeepay wallet via the bank transfer. So open the Shopeepay app, log in your Shopeepay account, then access Shopeepay. You can tap on the Shopeepay from home page and then you need to click on top up. Then you need to choose the top up method. So select the bank transfer as your top up method. Then choose your banks from list of supported bank. Then you need to follow the instruction. Shopee will provide specific instruction including the bank account details to transfer the funds and a unique reference code. Using your bank's online banking platform or mobile app, transfer the desired amount to the provided bank account, ensuring you include the reference code to facilitate the proper processing. Now last step is confirmation. So after completing the bank transfer, Shopeepay will verify the transaction. The fund will should appear in your Shopeepay wallet within the time frame specified by the Shopee, which can be very demanding on the bank and the time of transfer. So that is how you can transfer the money from PayPal to Shopeepay. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.